Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I need a fresh start? Not because something terrible happened, but because you are tired of feeling stuck. Your room is messy, your habits are all over the place, and you're spending hours on your phone. Every night you tell yourself that tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. The problem is that most people think resetting their life means changing everything at once. New routine, new diet, new goals, new personality, and then they burn out 3 days later. A real life reset is much simpler. Step 1. Clean your environment. Your brain is constantly reacting to what's around you. If your room is full of clutter, unfinished tasks, and random distractions, it's much harder to feel focused. And you don't need a Pinterest perfect room. Just make your bed, throw away trash, put things back where they belong, and that's it. Step 2. Do a digital reset. Look at your screen time. Be honest. How much of it is actually helping you become the person you wanted to be? Unfollow accounts that make you compare yourself. Delete apps you don't even enjoy anymore. Create a feed that inspires you instead of draining you. Step 3. Reset your body. And not for weight loss, not for aesthetic, for energy. Drink more water, get enough sleep, move your body every day, even if it's just a walk. When your body feels better, your minds work better too. Step 4. Choose one goal, not 10, just one. Most people fail because they try to improve every area of their life at the same time. Instead, ask yourself, what's the one thing that would make the biggest difference right now? Maybe it's studying, maybe it's fitness, maybe it's learning a new skill like Korean, a new language. Focus on that first.